Before we get into that, what other treatments did you do? Did you do Tui Na or cupping or anything
Oh
else?
yes, yes. Tui Na,
Yeah.
at least I still go all these years
Oh,
once a
you
month.
do.
And when I'm on the West Coast, I have to wait until I get back because I wouldn't see anyone. I'm just very particular about who puts their hands on me. So
Right. Right.
he's the only one.
Yeah. Yeah, I remember you mentioning one time when we talked on the phone, you mentioned that Dr. Wu has this energy of a shaman, and you were describing about what that Tui Na was like. Can you share a bit more about that?
Yeah, when Ming is working, he has a sense, a
Yeah.
feel,
Mm-hmm.
and that's what sets him apart from people just even doing tweenas.
Mm-hmm.
He's in a, different, he's on a different level. So people have given me feedback that have encountered him.
Yes.
That's the word they say. Either he's the real deal
Mm-hmm.
or he's at a different level. He's just, people know it if you're looking for that type of energy. And
Mm-hmm.
he's a sensitive person, very
Yeah.
caring. So that's how I would say it. He can pinpoint, he knows.
Yeah.
Sometimes I don't say anything to him and
Mm-hmm.
then go right to a place and he just presses it and it just opens up.
Yeah, it sounds like he really leads with his intuitive sense, like the sixth
Yeah.
sense, and he's feeling your body and your temperature, and I guess what he calls it the deficiencies, right?
Right,
So
right. Yes.